Hello everyone, do you have old hard drives like 2.5 inch or 3.5 inch internal hard drive like this and it is not working and you want to format? I have a solutions for it. So this is a connector SATA to USB 3.0 where you connect your old hard drives and connect to your PC and you can format it easily. So I will show you in this video how you can easily format your old hard drive and get it working. To get started, what you need to do, you have to get this connector and get your hard drive, and at the bottom there is a hard drive connector and you have to connect this connector part, the SATA part, to the hard drive, and this USB port you have to connect on your PC or Mac. Okay, and then if you see on this connector there is a slot given to connect to the power adapter. So while connecting to this power adapter, your hard drive will run, and then I will show you how you can format within the Mac. So let me show you closely. So this is the hard drive I've connected and it is running. If you just connect it here and the disk is running. So I will show you in the Mac how you can format within the Mac. So to get started, you have to open the journal settings. From here you can take a look into the disk utility, and if you can't find the utility from here, you can just click under the search bar, and here you can see this is my internal hard drive for Mac, and this is a no name USB external physical volume. As you can see here, the capacity is 1 point and the owner, everything is it. So here you can just run the first aid if you want to erase. So right now you can just give the name like HDD1 and you can just erase it. Erase process is complete. Click done to continue. Similarly, what I will do, I will just go ahead and connect the other hard drive. So I've just connected the other hard drive and I will wait for it to show up here. Okay, you can see this shows as EFI and I think it's only 500 MB. And what I can do, I can just go ahead and click on erase, give the name HDD2 and I will click on erase. So you have seen that using that tool like the Pibox India connector from SATA to USB, and there is a power adapter. It's come in handy. You can just reset any of your hard drives. So you have seen that I have successfully erased and formatted those two hard drives using that connector SATA to USB 3.0. I will put down a link in the description so you can check that out. I think that's available in the Amazon India. That's it for today's video. I hope you will like this video. If you want these type of videos more, let me know in the comment. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.